Greetings everyone. I'm Sampath Veeraraghavan, the 2021 IEEE Global Chair for the Humanitarian Activities Committee and the founding chair of the IEEE Hack Global Summit. I welcome you all to the inaugural IEEE Hack Global Summit, which will be held on November 10th this year. The IEEE Hack Global Summit is a first of its kind event that will bring together IEEE members, practitioners, and world leaders in the sustainable development space to address pressing global challenges and achieve sustainable development throughout the world. By participating in the Hack Summit, you will benefit by learning about real-world case studies and network with world leaders to learn about their experiences on achieving sustainable development, discuss how global organizations can partner with IEEE to deliver impactful programs at the grassroots, and more importantly, you can showcase your impactful work in our virtual exhibit and poster session. With the recent impact of the global pandemic, the need of the hour is to act together as a one voice for humanity and deliver solutions and innovations to address the global challenges. I am confident IEEE Hack Global Summit will offer you the transformative opportunity to inspire, connect, and engage technologists to create a better world by 2030. So mark your calendar for 10th November, and I look forward to meeting you all at the IEEE Hack Global Summit. Thank you.